Welcome to Inside the RFA, where content meets community and beards meet broadcast. I'm your host, Brad Broome. And in case you missed it, we kicked off the Content Growth Challenge with a heavy hitter. Content is king. And no, I'm not just talking about my Lego throne at home.
User-generated content. If brands are paying people hundreds of thousands of dollars a year to promote their products.
We broke down why attention is the new currency, why your repair shop just can't rely on flyers taped to gas pumps anymore, and how content can take you from the local tech to a global threat.
So like I said, the method that I was blown away because it actually works.
That's all for now. Stay tuned and stay consistent. If your phone repair videos still look like they were filmed on a potato, we're here to fix that too. Catch you next week and stay classy, cell phone repair world.